the definition of high energy. Go, 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 go. Push up. Sit. Good girl. She is a sweet girl. Very, very happy to see everybody who comes her way. She is just very high energy. Best for kids at least over 6 because of the energy. She is a gorgeous little meatball. And she loves to dance around for you. I got that one to go. Oh. You gotta chew before you swallow. So come here. Good girl. Good girl. Here at Camden County. There we go. We're hitting a nice spot for her. Down up. Right, Tasha? Right? Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Say hi. Good girl, Sasha. Good girl. Yeah, good girl.